Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our respected judges. My name is Faris and together with my teammates, we are honored to present our innovation project entitled ConSight, which stands for Construction Project Monitoring System. ConSight is a no-code digital platform designed to simplify construction project monitoring by integrating project management, task tracking, progress monitoring and risk management into one centralized dashboard. In today's construction industry, especially for small-scale projects and educational institutions, project monitoring is still commonly carried out using spreadsheets and manual records. This approach often results in scattered information, inaccurate progress calculations, and delayed identification of project risks. As a result, project managers may face difficulties in making time and informed decisions, which can affect project performance and productivity. To overcome these challenges, we developed ConSight as a simple, affordable, and user-friendly solution that improves project monitoring through digitalization. The objective of this project are to develop an centralized construction project monitoring platform, to automate project progress calculation, to monitor project risk effectively, to improve project monitoring efficiency through digitalization. Now I would like to invite Qalesya to explain the features and demonstrate how ConSight works. Thank you.
Thank you, Faris. ConSight consists of several integrated modules that help user monitor construction project more efficiently. The project management module allows users to create and manage project information in a centralized system. The task management module enables users to add project activity, assign duration, and update task progress. Next to the progress tracking module automatically calculates the overall project progress based on the complete percent of individual tasks. One of the key innovations of ConSight is the Project Health Index or PHI. This feature automatically evaluates project performance and classify the project condition as healthy, warning or critical, allow project manager to identify issue at an early stage. The system also includes a risk monitoring module where user can record project risk such as weather delay or material shortages and categorize them according to their severity level. Finally, the dashboard provides a centralized view of project progress, project condition, activity tasks, and project risk, allowing users to monitor the entire project into one place. As demonstrated, ConSight transform project data into meaningful information that support faster and more effective decision making. Now I would like to invite Aidil to explain the development methodology, benefit and conclusion.
Thank you, Qalesya. ConSight was developed using a no-code approach with Kolej as the front-end platform and Google Sheet as the back-end database. The development process consisted of 5 phases: requirement analysis, system design, development, testing, and implementation. ConSight offers several benefits to different users. For project, it improves project visibility, simplifies monitoring activities, and support faster decision making. For educational institution, it serves as a practical learning from platform for digital construction project management. For construction organization, it reduces dependence on a manual spreadsheet while improving project monitoring efficiency. In conclusion, ConSight is an innovative construction project monitoring system that integrates project management, progress tracking, risk monitoring, and project performance evaluation into a single digital platform. We believe that ConSight has the potential to support digital transformation in construction project management by improving efficiency, transparency, and decision making. Thank you for your attention.